Hi there, my name's Chris, welcome to Northern Embers. Today we're going to be having a dish called PELMENI. That's not going to be quite the right pronunciation, but it's my best I can do. I believe the origin is from Russia. It's a Russian dish and it's actually dumplings. And you can go into the supermarket here and buy dumplings or ravioli or something like that, but they don't stack up to this. And first time I ever had PELMENI was in Latvia. I visit there quite often, and it's like you've got your KFC, you've got your McDonald's, you've got your Burger King, and you've got PELMENI. And you go in there, there's dishes with liquid, and the dumplings are in there nice and warm. You help yourself with a ladle, fill up your bowl, take it to the counter, it gets weighed, and then you pay. And you can put something with it as well, salt, seasoning, sour cream's popular, and that's what we'll be doing today. I absolutely love them. Over here in the UK, all you need to do is go into a Polish shop and go to the frozen section and pick some up there, and they are lovely. They're dumplings. Basically you put them into boiling water until they rise. They're ready. You know, outdoor cooking can be tricky and complicated, or it can be really simple. It's up to yourself, and for me, I've just been tutoring about in this little area today, and just a nice easy lunch. Had another pot hanging there, but it actually had a leak. It made all the ground wet, so got a slightly smaller one, but that's fine, it'll be suffice. And yeah, quite looking forward to it. I really do like these dumplings. Okay, those dumplings are ready. As I say, just use a ladle, put them in the bowl. They're ready once they float. A little bit of salt. Personally, I like a little bit of liquid with mine. And also a little bit of that sour cream that I said. Just a dollop of that. You can put other things with it, even a garnish if you want, but for me, I'm quite happy with that. Yes, a little bit more liquid. We'll give that a try. Well, this is a very quick, simple, easy, tasty dish to do. I really do like these. They hold their shape well, they taste super tasty. These are well seasoned, very, very nice actually. That is really nice, and it's chilly out here, got the fire going. These dumplings keep you nice and warm, so hope you enjoyed that, and do try them. I do highly recommend these. They do fill you up, but yeah. I wonder if I'll consider having seconds. Thanks for watching.